New Google AI updates are insane. Google just broke the internet. Search is gone. Sites now stuck inside AI answers. This changes everything. And nobody is talking about how big this really is.
The useful version of this update is not Google added more AI boxes. It is that Google is changing the job of search. Old search sent people somewhere else. New search tries to answer, preview, cite, and recommend the next step without letting the user leave. If you publish content, that means the target is no longer just ranking. The target is becoming the source. The AI answer trusts enough to quote. The room metaphor is the cleanest way to understand it. AI suggestions pull the user deeper. Subscription sources make trusted brands more visible. Mid-sentence links turn the answer into a mini browser. Hover cars let people inspect pages without clicking. Every feature reduces the need to open your site. So the question becomes, what evidence makes Google still surface you inside that room?
Google search is becoming less like a search engine and more like an AI operating system for the web. That again, that's the shift. That's the whole story. Old Google was a doorway. You type something, you walk through a door, you ended up on a website. New Google is a room. You walk in, you stay, you explore, you never leave. And that changes how every business needs to show up.
This is where a lot of SEO advice gets too soft. If previews get good enough, weak pages lose the click before the user even decides. Your title, meta description, opening paragraph, author proof, and page structure become the product demo. The page has to look like the best answer from the outside. Otherwise, Google can use you as background material while the human never visits.
Now update 5. This is the biggest one, by far. Google AI is now pulling from online discussions and social perspectives, Reddit threads, community posts, creator opinions, or human experiences, right inside the AI answer. This is massive. Why? Because Google just admitted something huge. People trust humans more than websites. People trust real experiences more than blog posts. People trust communities more than corporate content. Reddit is winning. TikTok search is winning. Creators are winning. And Google knows it. So instead of fighting it, Google is integrating it. The future of search may be less about websites, more about...
The bigger point is human proof. Generic blog content is getting squeezed from both sides. AI can summarize it, and users do not trust it. The content that survives has receipts. Screenshots, benchmarks, personal tests, community answers, strong opinions, and visible authorship. That is why Reddit and creators keep showing up. They are messy, but they feel lived in. Google is trying to import that trust signal. I would translate the update into 3 operating rules. First, write pages that can be cited in one sentence. Clear claims, clean definitions, and specific data. Second, build distribution where people actually discuss the topic. Reddit, YouTube, LinkedIn, niche forums, whatever fits the audience. Third, stop treating SEO as a page-only game. The AI answer is assembling a reputation graph from websites, people, communities, and references. The practical checklist is simple. Audit the pages that already get impressions. Rewrite the first 100 words so the answer is obvious. Add first-hand evidence that a generic AI summary could not invent. Put a real person behind the claim. Then create one community or creator surface that points back to the same expertise. If Google is becoming the room, your job is to be the named expert inside it, not another anonymous page outside the door. My take, this is bad for lazy traffic and good for visible expertise. If your whole strategy is generic articles chasing keywords, the floor is dropping. If you have real tests, a real voice, and content that other people quote, this update can actually help. Google still needs sources. It just wants fewer clicks to deliver them. Build for citations first, click second, and make the click worth leaving the room.